Dear cadets of class 7 of Barishal Cadet College, Assalamu alaikum. You are most welcome to my online agriculture class for Barishal Cadet College. Boys, at first I like to introduce myself with you. I am Zayor Rahman, demonstrator of physics, Barishal Cadet College, and subject teacher of agriculture studies of class 7. Boys, you know, this is time for corona pandemic, COVID-19 is going on. So, boys, stay at home, stay safe. Boys, wash your hands, cover a cough or a sneeze, maintain social distance, stay at home, stay safe. Maintain these rules and regulations in your daily life. And do not go outside without any emergency case. If you want to go outside, you will wear face masks, avoid crowded places. This is advice for you. Please maintain these rules and regulations in your daily life. Boys, this class is for class 7, subject agricultural studies, chapter 5, chapter name agricultural production. There is a picture, boys, look at this picture. Roots and flowers. Learning outcome. After studying these lessons, cadets will be able to describe the cultivation process of grains, describe the cultivation process of different types of flowers and fruits. The process of maize, corn cultivation. At first I will discuss it. Maize is a high yielding and diversely usable granule crop. Maize cultivation in Bangladesh is expanding. Maize is a perennial shrub. Both male and female flower grow in the same plant. The male flower spurs hanging like a tassel in the head of the plant. The female flower comes out in the form of mosa from the axis point of the stem and leaf of the mid-height of the plant. A granular shrub takes form in mosa when the female flower is fertilized. Nutrition value of the maize grains is more than that of rice and wheat. Maize grains are used as human food as shade plants, and green leaves are used as high quality food for the cows. There is a widespread need of the maize grains as the livestock, poultry, and fish feeds. Variety. Bangladesh Agricultural Research Institute has produced some high-yielding and hybrid varieties. Among these varieties, Barnali, Shudro, Mohor, Bari Maize 5, Bari Maize 6, Bari Maize 7, Bari Hybrid Maize 1, Bari Hybrid Maize 2, Bari Hybrid Maize 3 are important. Beside for koi, it is popcorn maize, and to eat when it is tender. Bari sweet maize on have been discovered. Apart from these various seed companies import seeds of hybrid maize from foreign countries. Soil, sandy, loamy and loamy soil is the best for the maize cultivation, but it should be monitored that the soil does not get waterlogged. Sowing time. It is the proper time to sow maize seed between October and November, the spring season between mid-February and March in the autumn season. Seed ratio and sowing process for Bari maize variety 25 to 30 kg, and for popcorn maize 15 to 20 kg per every hectare should be sown in rows. Distance in between rows should be 75 centimeter, and there should be one plant after every 25 centimeter or two plants after every 50 centimeter in each row. Land preparation and application of fertilizer. In our country, maize is cultivated amply during Rabi season. Land must be prepared by plowing deeply 4 to 5 times and by harrowing. Use of fertilizer in maize cultivation has been given below. Name of fertilizer, amount of fertilizer, kg per hectare, urea 170 to 312 kg, TSP 168 to 216 kg, MOP 96 to 144 kg, gypsum 144 to 168 kg. Intercultural management in maize cultivation and cross yielding. Yielding maize variety up to the expectation level, 3 to 4 times irrigation is required. The first irrigation should be given at the 5 leaves stage, and the second turn is recommended at 10 leaves stage. The third turn ensured at the time budding out of the mosa, and the fourth on should be given at the phase of taking granular shape. It should be observed that the soil in the maize field does not get waterlogged. Pest control management. The maize crop suffers less pest attack, but at the seedling stage, larva of Khudipoka cuts the bottom of the tender plant. This insect hides at daytime and comes up night. This larva should be dug out from the soil around the just cut plant. Sand destroy it. If the attack is massive, Furadon or Dustburn should be applied in prescribed amount, and the land should be irrigated again. Pest control procedure. Pest preventive variety should be used. Treatment should be done before sowing seeds. The remaining of maize plant should be burned down after harvesting. Cultivation of maize in the same field over and over again should be stopped. Cultivation process of tuberose. Boys, it is well known to you. White and well-scented tuberose is a favorite flower of us all. It is called Rajinigandha. It is well known to us as it diffuses fragrance at night time. In festivals and celebrations, home decorations, buckets, garlands, and ornamentation tuberose is richly used. According to the arraying of petals and tuberoses have two classifications. The variety that holds petals in a single row is called single, and the other variety that holds petals in two or more rows is called double. Tuberose. Reproduction. The reproduction of tuberose takes place from bulb in Bangladesh. These bulbs have the same look as onions. They stay hidden underground in water. When the winter is over, the bulb is segregated from the thickets. For planting 2 to 3 centimeter long root is a sufficient size. Plantation of bulb. For tuberose cultivation, the land gets plenty of light and air should be selected. Tuberose grows well in loamy and semi-loamy fields. Bulb is planted between February and April. This is planted with 25 to 30 centimeter distance in between rows, 10 to 50 centimeter from one plant to another, 4 to 5 centimeter deep in the ground. 3 to 4 months after plantation, a bulb blossoms. Application of fertilizer. Soil has to be made granular by plowing 3 to 4 times by harrowing. While talking in each hectare of land, 10 decomposed cow dung manure to 100 kg urea, 300 kg TSP, 350 kg MOP should be mixed with soil after 3 to 45 days of planting bulb. 125 kg urea should be sprayed again in a used over 7 way and should be irrigated. Flower blocking. Tuberose is mainly shown as the longest stream of flowers with stalk or pollen flowers without stalk. Pollen flowers are used for making garlands. Flowers are collected along with the stalks before the bloom. It is good to pick flowers either in the morning or in the evening. After procuring flowers, the lower part of the stem should be dipped into water. Because of it, flowers can maintain their freshness and brightness. Flowers with stalks should be sent to the market after being tied together in a stalk and wrapped in black polythene. Cultivation process of marigold. It is well known to us boys. Marigold is a very popular in our country. Cultivation of marigold is easy. This flower can be grown in the yard, park, and the tub in a veranda. Marigold is used in festivals, celebrations, home decor, and for making garlands. Color, structural variety, and gracefulness of this flower attract people of our class. Being from the wound steps. If the fluid from the leaves of the marigold flowers is used on the wound of a body, it is used as medicinal plant. Variety identification: two species of marigold are grown in Bangladesh. That is African marigold plant. Of this species grow about 100 centimeter tall and blossoms monocolored large flowers according to the variety. Flowers take the colors of yellow, golden, light orange, etc. B. Ferenc marigold. Plant of this species grows 10 to 50 centimeter tall, sturdy, passy and flower bloom in a small size and take the red color. Land preparation and plantation for marigold. High and loamy field is the best for the marigold cultivation. Soil has to be made granular by plowing 4 to 5 times and by harrowing. It is better to plant safely at the ending part of the rainy season. In the main field, distance in between rows should be 60 centimeter. One plant should be 45 centimeter far from another plant. In case of the plantation in tubs, short types marigold is selected. Application of fertilizer during last tilling for every decimal of land 40 kg decomposed cow dung manure, 1 kg urea, 0.80 kg TSP, 0.70 kg MOP should be applied. Well, on 0.5 months after plantation, only urea at a rate of 0.70 per decimal should be utilized. After mixing the fertilizer properly, land should be irrigated. In the case of planting in tubs, tubs should be prepared well by mixing 250 gram decomposed cow dung manure with urea, TSP and MOP on teaspoon is properly for each tub. On month after plantation, on teaspoon urea should be used again. Inter nursery, when the plants are young, we should be cleared out regularly, considering the fluid situation of the soil. On to irrigation is enough, but it is better to irrigate after blossoming. To get more flowers, the tip of the plant should be cut off when the plant grows a little bigger. For these boughs and branches grow more, resulting in more flowering. A bamboo post should be fixed with the plant so that the storm, wind, irrigation, and the weight of the flowers cannot tip the plant over. Flower plucking. Marigold flowers should be plucked along with its peduncle with a scissor. If the peduncle is little longer, the flowers remain fresh for a longer period. After procuring flowers, water should be sprinkled on and the flowers should be sent to the market after being wrapped in black polythene. Boys. Then we will discuss the cultivation process of guava. Guava, it is well known to us. It is delicious and it is more essential for our body. It is rich of vitamin C. It is the vital source of vitamin C. This fruit grows more or less almost everywhere in the country, but it is cultivated commercially in Borisal, Pirouzpur, Jalokati, Chittagong, Kumilla, etc. areas in Bangladesh. We get many types of guavas, among them Kanchanjunga, Sharupkati, Mukundapuri, Kazipeara, Baripeara 2, Baripeara 3 varieties are important in our country. Soil guava is a drought-tolerant plant and it can grow in various types of soil. It can bear with slight salinity in the field. Fertile and deep loamy soil is good for commercial productions. Plantation of saplings. Seedlings are made from seeds and gouty grafting. Saplings from seeds and gouty graftings are planted in middle of the hole. The plant should be tied to a bamboo post to avoid tilling. The protect it from the cattle bamboo made case of fence should be set around the plant. Application of fertilizer. If fertilizer is used for 3 equal installments in February, May and September, guava yields very well. It is not that the fertilizer should not be given just at the root of the plant. Rather, it should be mixed properly with the soil and should be extended up to the urea area where the bulbs and branches spread. Irrigation is required after the use of the fertilizer. Amount of fertilizer according to the age of each plant. Cow dung, compost 10 to 20 kg, urea 150 to 300 gram, TSP 150 to 300 gram, MOP 150 to 300 gram should be applied. Nurturing. After collecting fruits from the adult tree, branches should be ampulated in August to September. If the branches are cut off, new branches grow and produce more fruits. To keep the tree fruit yielding always to get quality fruits, 25 to 50% fruits should be ripped at the tender state. At the time of bearing, fruits, if irrigated immediately after every 7 to 10 days during the month of April to June, the fruit production increases. Disease pest management. Sometimes guava plants are attacked by fungal diseases. For this disease, tiny spores are seen on the body of the fruit. Later, they become bigger, creating sore in guavas. At this, the fruits get cracks on them and may get rotted. To prevent this disease, fallen leaves and fruit should be selected from beneath the tree and be burnt down. After fruitage, mixture of 250 EC tilled with water at the ratio of 0.5 ml per liter. Water should be sprayed 3 to 4 times after every 15 days. At the bottom of the afflicted plant, fruit collection. Kazipeara and Baripeara produce fruits twice a year. When it is time for the fruits to ripen, its green color gradually turns to yellowish green. Fruit production varieties depends on the age and species. A tree of 4 to 5 years old yields 15 to 20 kg fruits. Boys, if there is any question, please write in inbox and try to answer your question. Homework. Boys, there is a question. Try to answer this question. Next class, we will discuss Chapter 2, Agricultural Technology. Boys, this is time for Corona epidemic and second wave is going on. It is dangerous time for us. So stay at home, stay safe. Thank you very much. See you next class. Thank you, everybody.